Found some random shoes. Are these your shoes?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, what's going on, guys? PudgeMan here, and I'm pretty excited because today UPS just dropped off my stuff for my camcorder. New battery, another SD card, and 2 new chargers, which was the big thing. That's why I couldn't use my camcorder anymore, because I don't have a charger anymore. So what I'm going to do is, didn't really have anything planned to shoot or anything, so right now I'm still on my phone. I have to charge up the batteries and everything for the camcorder, but once they're charged, we're going to take Emma to the park and get some shots with the camcorder just to check out the difference and everything. So I'm pretty excited. Alright, see you at the park, guys. What's that?
I feel dizzy.
Say hi to everybody. Say, this is Emma, and I'm on the swing. Ready? Whoa. Whoa. So, having some fun at the park and playing on the little kid rides. I guess a carnival or something. Whatever. What the hell is this thing? What's this thing called? It's not called a merry-go-round. That's at the fair. The spinny thing. But I definitely love having my camera back. No, that's with horses. Carousel. Say hi, Emma. Say hi. Bum 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 bum. Say, we're having so much fun at the park.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, look at these spiders.
It doesn't sit down right there. Fall down. Sit down. Who's that pretty baby? You see yourself in the viewfinder?
Alright, guys, it's like super late. I went to sleep at like 11 o'clock. Then Emma woke up at 1:30, woke me up. I won't go back to sleep till like 3, so I just haven't been able to go to sleep, and it's like 5:30 now. So this is gonna be a crappy day. Anyway, I decided, since I couldn't fall asleep, I grabbed my tripod and I want to see if I can see the moon with my camcorder. I figured since it's a 40x zoom, I don't know, set it up outside and see what we can get. Alright, here it is without. Oh wow, that looks good. There we go. Took a little bit of focusing and messing with the tripod when I got it. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh, dude, that was so cool. That was definitely cool. I can't wait to actually look at that. Hopefully it turned out really good. But I'm going to try and get some sleep now. Upload this probably later, maybe the next day, I don't know yet. But until next time, this is the PudgeMan, and this is your dose of R&R. Oh, real quick, if that did turn out good, maybe I'll do some more with it and try and figure out how to hook it up to like my binoculars or my telescope or something. That would be cool, huh? Because I know I got some space nuts on my subscriber list. Anyway, I'm tired, so I'm going to try and actually get some sleep now. But take it easy, guys.